Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 2. Title is The Tiger King, written by Kalki from the book Vistas. I have divided this chapter into 4 parts for the better explanation. First one is introduction part, second one is main characters of the story, third one is main points of the story, and fourth one is summary of the lesson. So students, I am starting from the introduction parts. Introduction of the story is that the Tiger King is one of the finest story written by Kalki. And in this chapter, the king of Pratipandpuram killed 99 tiger for his own security and safety. Because when he was a child, then an astrologer predicted that the death will come from the side of tiger in the life of the king. And he also predicted that if the king will be success to kill 100 tiger in his life, then the death will away from his life. Death will be postponed from his life. That's why the king of Pratipandpuram decided to kill 100 tiger. But he could not succeed. He killed only 99 tiger, and at last he was killed by 100 tiger, which was the toy tiger. So I have to especially focus in this chapter that how he was killed by toy tiger. So this was the introduction part of the story, the Tiger King. Second point is characters of the story. Whatever the characters are here. First is King of Pratipandpuram. King of Pratipandpuram is the hero of the story. All the sight, all the scene, all the story moves around his character. That's why we can say that he is the hero of the story. Second, astrologer. The person who predicts in the king's court about the crown prince, who is the astrologer. Third one is high-ranking British officers. A British officer who requested the king of Pratipandpuram for the tiger hunting, but his proposal was rejected by the king. So this is already one of the most important character, a high-ranking British officers. Next one is Diwan, who is the well-wisher of the king, who is ready to support the king every time, every moment. So these were the 4 characters of the story, The Tiger King by Kalki. Now I am going to focus about the main points of the lesson, main points of the story, whatever the story is there, related to these points. First point is title, The Tiger King. Student, the most important question which is arise before you, that what is the concept of the title The Tiger King? Because it was not the name of the king. So the reason is that when king started killing the tiger one by one, and by this way he killed 99 tiger. So in this hope, in this way, his name appropriated, dignified, clarified as a Tiger King. That's why people started to calling him Tiger King. Second point is prediction of astrologer. When the crown prince took birth in the palace, then a predictor came, an astrologer came, who predicted that the king will be the hero of heroes, warrior of warriors, and he will be very bold person, bold king. And he stopped. After saying but, he stopped. Then a strange voice emerged in the palace that, "O astrologer, why are you stopped now? Tell me, what do you want to say?" Then the astrologer predicted that it's okay. This crown prince will be the king of king warrior of warriors, champion of champions, but one day he will die. So, student, you know very well, the person who has taken the birth on this land, on this earth, or in this universe will die one day. So, in this hope, in this reference, in this series, Tiger King, who was a child, announced that, "Oh predictor, this is not the new things for anybody, that the person will die one day. If you can tell that what will be the genuine reason of death, then I can consider you a good predictor." Then he announced that the prince has taken the birth in the time of bull, that's why the death will come from the side of tiger. This was the reference of an astrologer. Next, Tiger King as a crown prince. In this story, crown prince is the name given for the king of Pratibandhapuram, who got this title as a Tiger King. Earlier just I narrated that he started killing tiger, that's why he got the title Tiger King. Next point is reason for tiger hunting. What was the actual reason, the actual cause behind that? Why he started to kill the tiger? For his own security and safety, for his sake of his own life, he started killing the tiger. This was the actual reason behind the killing of tiger. Next, rejection of the proposal of British officer. Students, a British officer requested to the king of Pratibandhapuram that he is interested in tiger hunting, but the king rejected his proposal to saying that he can't organize tiger hunting in his own kingdom. Instead of tiger hunting, he can organize mosquito hunting, mice hunting, boar hunting, but tiger hunting is impossible. This was a jokes, this was a comical act presented by the king for the British officer. Birthday celebration of the king's son. Means in last there was the celebration of the birthday celebration of the king's son. That was the third birthday. And during that time, he purchased a toy tiger from a shop, which became the cause of the death of the king. So students, these were the 6 points which I narrated before you step by step to make the story very clear before you. Now I am starting the summary of the lesson. Whatever the summary of the story. The story set up in the state of Pratibandhapuram, where there was a king. In his palace, the prince took birth. During that time, the king called an astrologer, who came in the court and saw the palm of the prince and predicted, announced, declared very clearly about the life of the prince. He described that this prince will be the champion of champions, hero of heroes, warriors of warriors, but one day he will die. And as soon as these statements were heard by prince, as a little child, he spoke loudly, "Oh astrologer, it's okay, you predicted that I have to die one day. It is not a new thing for anybody. The person who has taken the birth will die one day. If you can tell, if you can announce what will be the actual cause of death in the future, it will be very nice for you." The predictor, the astrologer, announced that the death will come from the side of tiger, But the solution is that if Prince will be capable to kill 100 tiger in his life, then he will be away from the death, clutches of death. Time passed away, and when king became 20-year-old, then he sat on the throne of Pratibandhapuram. And as soon as he sat on the throne of Pratibandhapuram, then his well-wisher whispered into his eye, into his ears, and told that, "Sir, O king, when you were a child, then one predicted about your future, the death will come from the side of the tiger. So you have to be very aware regarding that, very conscious about that." The king called the same astrologer and told, "Predict immediately whatever predicted by you before 20 years. The astrologer started shaking, but he predicted, "King, it is sure and certain, whatever I predicted before 20 years, it is correct, that death will come from the side of tiger in your life, and you have to be very aware, very conscious about that. But if you will be able to kill 100 tiger, then you will be away from the clutches of death." The king decided to kill the tiger. He told that there is no any harm, there is no any sin, there is no any crime. If a person is killing the cow for his own safety and security, for his own protection, so he started killing the tiger one by one, and by this way he killed 70 tiger in his kingdom. And after the 70 tiger, he was not capable to see any tiger in his kingdom. That's why he became frustrated. He called his minister and asked him that, "Now there is no any tiger in my kingdom, but there is one proposal before you. I want to marry at this time. But the term and condition of my marriage is that I will marry to the princess of that kingdom where there will be the maximum number of tiger." In this reach, in this hope, the minister searched this type of kingdom, and king married. King started visiting his father-in-law house every day, and in the same way he started killing the tiger, and by this way he killed 99 tiger. He was able to reach his real destination, real target was 100. He killed 99 tiger, and thereafter he was not able to get any tiger in the kingdom of his father-in-law also. He was very furious, very angry. He was searching one more tiger. He left his kingdom and he was living in the camp in the forest. The minister was very sorry for that, much disturbed to see the condition, status of the king, mental condition of the king. So he and his wife both went to the zoo of Madras and hired a tiger, old tiger, and they kept the tiger into the van, and thereafter he came to the forest and pressed the tiger from the van into the forest. When tiger reached in the forest, the king saw the tiger and fired the bullet, shoot the tiger, and tiger fell on the ground. The king realized that, king felt that he has already killed the tiger. he ordered, he commanded his servants to bring the skin of tiger, and he went to the kingdom. The servants of the kings were also very happy. When the king went away from there, they moved forward, but they saw that the tiger opened its eye. Then servants thought that if we were not killing this tiger once again, then we will be terminated from our job. There is no need to disclose the secret. So they killed the tiger and keep the secret. They didn't disclose the secret. And by this way, king was very happy. 100 skin of tiger were already hanging in the palace of king. There was the time of the celebration in the Pratibandhapuram. There was the third birthday of his son. The king devoted his maximum time in tiger hunting. That's why he decided to give the pleasure to his son. So he went to the market with his son to purchase the toy tiger. And he purchased a toy tiger which was completely unfurnished and prepared by unskilled carpenter. He purchased that toy tiger, and came to the palace and started playing with tiger to his son. He started playing with his son with that toy tiger. And during the time of playing, when he was playing, then quails pinched to the right hand of king, and the infection flared into his right hand, and he became very serious. His condition was not good at all. Surgeons from Madras were called. They came and consulted to each other and decided to operate the king. They operated the king and came outside and told the public that operation is successful, but the king is dead. How it is possible? This is completely a comical statement, humorous statement presented by the doctors. Operation is successful, but the king is dead. Students, in this chapter, you came to know that how the tiger king killed 99 tiger for his own safety and security. But whatever the prediction of the astrologer, he couldn't prove wrong, and 100 tiger took revenge to the king. So by this way, I narrated the story into 4 parts. I divided at first: introduction, main characters of the story, main points of the story, and summary of the story. I hope that all the students, those who have heard this, they understood it very clearly. Thank you very much, students.